I'm Gong. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about how to pick a major. Now that you've decided which college to attend, or if you're already a college student, it's time to make another important decision. What in the world should I major in? What should I major in? I majored in economics at UCLA, and I'm going to be sharing with you how I chose my major and tips and learnings that you can extract from my experience and apply to your own decision. Let's take a look at how I narrowed down potential major choices. I think I want to be an English major, global studies, or maybe an economics major, maybe a communications major, Asian studies major? Well, my parents don't love the idea of an English or Asian studies major, and they are the ones paying for my schooling. Which ones do I like the best out of the remaining ones? I guess I'll narrow it down to economics or communications for now, and enroll in a few classes for both of those majors and see which ones I like better. I decided I liked the content and format of my economics classes better. I'd always been interested in business, so I knew that studying economics at UCLA would teach me the fundamentals of business and at least position me for those kinds of jobs in the future. So my tip here: think about topics that you are both interested in and could actually see yourself working in after college. Then, enroll in a few introductory classes in each of those majors and test the waters. In the beginning of college, I had a lot of interests that I put a lot of time into, like acting and photography and writing. As my major and economics coursework began to take over my time, I started to break off from my other paths and started walking towards the business path more wholeheartedly. Junior year, I got an internship as an investment intern for an assets management fund in Los Angeles. I also did a logistics internship in Shanghai last summer, which showed me more real-life applications for my major. So, as you can see, or as some of you might already know, sometimes your major might not align with your interests as much as you had hoped, or your future might not seem clear even when you have picked a major to focus on. Learn and adjust. You can always consider picking up a minor or even double majoring in another topic that you're really interested in. If you really hate your major and feel like you made the wrong choice, it's totally okay to switch your major. It's not the end of the world, and people do it all the time. Keep evaluating your situation and make the best out of it. As I entered senior year and graduation was just around the corner, I began to apply for full-time roles. A lot of my friends in the economics major were applying to similar fields. We based a lot of these decisions on internships and experiences that we had in college. Yeah, I'm focusing on finance and consulting, some financial analyst, some wealth management jobs, the huge. How about you? Something that I learned towards my junior and senior years of college when I was applying for full-time jobs is that your major is actually really important to the work that you'll be doing out of college. So I would say that if your major aligns to a career that you want to do in the future, it's more likely that you'll get there with a major that fits into that field. I know that some people say your major doesn't matter, and I think that can be true to a certain extent, but at the same time, it's 4 years of your life where you're going to be studying like crazy and you're paying a lot of money for your degree. Start with the end in mind as much as you possibly can. And I know that's hard because a lot of you are coming out of high school or just in your early years of college and don't have a lot of experience to draw back on when making those kind of decisions. People reevaluate what they want to do in life all the time. So it's definitely almost an existential question in some ways. But there's still a lot of research that you can be doing. So definitely the more research you do and the more you understand about the real world and the real careers that are out there and what those look like, the more you're going to be positioning yourself to pick a major that fits your goals well and to get the most out of that major during college. So in terms of picking a major, what you ultimately want to be thinking about is what you're going to be applying that major to after college. What kind of work do you want to do? What kind of career fields do you want to go into? And I know that's a big question and it's intimidating to think about, but the more you research it, the more comfortable you'll feel with the different options out there. And of course, the more internships you can get along your college process, those are experiences that you can draw on as well to help you pick a major. Here are some questions that you can ask yourself when picking a major. What do I like? Or if you're having a hard time with that, what do I not absolutely hate? What are some jobs that I could see myself doing in the long term? In 5 years? In 10 years? What majors are going to pay me enough to fulfill my needs and my goals in life, as well as pay off any outstanding debt that I might have incurred during college? Is there a graduate school that I want to be going to after college? And what should I major in to help me get there? What subjects have I always liked in school? And now a question for you to answer in the comments below. What brought you to this video? Why are you watching? Are you deciding between majors? Do you have no idea what you want to major in? Is it a few years down the line and you've regretted the major that you picked in college? Leave a comment below and make some friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I'm going to be posting guidance videos like this for the rest of April. So I'll see you next Friday and good luck!